Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. If you're new around here, my name is Harmon. Today's video is all about the unfortunate abduction and murder of 18-year-old Sherry Eyerly. We're going to get into all the details of this case, and I'm actually here right now nearby where she was killed at. And so we're going to show you that, and supposedly I found a picture online that shows that there's like a cross, like a little memorial where she actually was killed. So anyway, let's get into the video, and I'll try to show you if I can find it, the cross. So on July 4th, 1982, 18-year-old Sherry Eyerly was a Domino's delivery driver, and she was dispatched to drop off some pizzas at an address off of River Haven Drive, which is near Brown Island Road. And again, this is all pretty close to Salem, Oregon, where all this transpired. And so she went to that address. However, that address did not exist. It was a made-up address. And some witnesses came by after Sherry was abducted, and they stated that they saw her car, which was a Ford Pinto. They found her car running along with several pizza boxes and her hat on the ground next to the car. She was dispatched to drop off the pizzas around 9:30 p.m. and she basically vanished. Witnesses found her car, I believe, an hour or a couple hours after. So it was a huge mystery of what happened to Sherry, and of course, you know, who was the one responsible. So Sherry Eyerly's disappearance and ultimate murder went unsolved. It was a cold case for about 25 years or so, until police finally found a guy by the name of William Scott Smith, who was already in prison for two other murders. He murdered a girl by the name of Catherine Redmond and another girl by the name of Rebecca Darling. And again, both girls were murdered in 1984, a couple years after Sherry's abduction and ultimate murder. Police re-examined the case of Sherry Eyerly, and they found some new evidence, and they were able to link William Scott Smith's car to the abduction and murder of Sherry. And they confronted William in his prison cell, and he ultimately confessed to the abduction and murder of Sherry. He stated that his plan was to have an accomplice and himself abduct Sherry and hold her for ransom. Apparently they called Domino's the day that Sherry, of course, disappeared, and they supposedly asked for a ransom in order for her to be returned safely. It doesn't say specifically if they ever got that ransom money or not. I'm guessing probably not, because they killed Sherry anyway. But finally, after 25 years, they finally solved the case. William Scott Smith was, of course, convicted of Sherry's murder in 2007, and they added that to his other couple murders that he was already serving time for. But anyway, guys, so from here, I'm going to head to the location where Sherry was abducted and murdered from. And supposedly, like I said, there's a cross and memorial for her. So I found a couple articles, and they pinpointed where Sherry's abduction took place. And she was basically killed pretty much in the same area. Her body was found not that far away from where her car was. And the article stated that it was near this Minto Brown Island Park. And it says that it was, again, near like Homestead Road and Brown Island Road. So I'm going to drive around, and there should be a cross with her memorial somewhere around this this corner here, and hopefully I can find it. Alright guys, after walking around for about 45 minutes, I realized that I was in the wrong spot. I found an article that gave the wrong directions to find the memorial here for Sherry. And so I went back to a different article that talked about, you know, exactly where she was abducted from, and it was River Haven Drive near Brown Island Road. And so I decided just to drive down River Haven Drive, and sure enough, the memorial was right here. So I was walking and driving around the wrong area, so I finally found it. It's on the corner of River Haven Drive and Brown Island Road. And if you don't know how to find River Haven Drive, you would never ever find this, because as far as I know, I didn't even see a road sign to turn down here. It's basically just next to this like rock excavation area on the corner of Brown Island Road. There's a gravel road. You turn down that, and then it's only like you know, half-mile down or so. But anyway, we finally found it. And once again, her body was never ever found. But this was where she was abducted from, and basically William Scott stated that he killed her, you know, somewhere nearby this area. But this is basically where her car was found, and again, her body was never found, but he killed her somewhere around this memorial. Wanted to say thank you for watching my videos. I'm gonna head out of here. Until next time, again, my name is Harmon. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.